Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm going to be trying out this new tape makeup trend. I was inspired to do this look by various creators that I will link down below. I wanted mine to be kind of a starry galaxy look. To start this look, I'm going to tape off the area. I'm using medical tape because I think it will be the easiest to remove. And here I'm just trying to adjust it to make both sides even. Next, I'm putting concealer inside the taped off area. Next, using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'm going to be using the white and putting this in the center of the face. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette for the light blue shade and starting to blend this into the white. Next, I'm using the Morphe Picasso palette for the medium blue shade and blending that into the light blue. Next, using the same palette, I'm using the darker kind of royal blue shade. And finally, black in the outer corners. Next, I put on a towel to protect my hair because we're going to be splattering paint. And here I'm using Mayron face paint and splattering it on with a toothbrush. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter, and this has a bunch of sparkles in it, and I'm putting this all over the top of the colored area. And now I'm removing the tape. And I'm going to use makeup remover to clean up any edges. Next, I'm adding rhinestones all throughout the colored area to create a starry-like look. And that completes this Starry Galaxy tape makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.